Hey everybody, it's your boy Just Flintstone, and I'm here to talk to you about something that I think is very important. I'm here to talk to you about netiquette. What is netiquette? Well, according to the University of Texas El Paso, netiquette, which is a portmanteau of the word net and etiquette, refers to using courtesy and politeness when communicating online. In other words, Internet etiquette. Netiquette is a term that was used as early as the 1980s. Etiquette online versus etiquette in reality. Rules online and rules in reality are virtually the same thing. So here are some tips and strategies regarding netiquette to help you in your online experience. Tip number 1, communicate responsibly. In other words, respect the internet will respect you. Tip number 2, don't be a cyberbully. In other words, if you wouldn't say it in person, don't say it online. Tip number 3, use credible sources. Tip number 4, respect the privacy of others and do not share other people's personal information. Tip number 5, forgive and forget. The internet is a place of many opinions. Just remember that these are only opinions, and learn to distinguish the difference between online and reality. Tip number 6, if it's on the internet, it's everywhere. As soon as you hit that upload button, whatever, a picture, document, video, anything, once you upload it, it's pretty much online for everybody to see. The internet has probably become faster means of communication than word of mouth. So, like I said, just be careful when you're searching the internet. So why is netiquette important? If you practice good netiquette now, then later in your education or professional career, you'll be prepared to communicate in any situation. If you enjoyed this presentation, make sure you guys like and subscribe our YouTube page. Y'all check me out. I'm Just Flintstone. Peace.